Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Figured I would do a quick video here now that I've had the car for about a month on some of the Uconnect features that I really like. Again, this is a 2018 Charger Daytona 392. I've had it for maybe 1,000 miles so far. So a little bit of the backstory, kind of why I'm making this video. It's going to be short and sweet. Is that when I was looking for the car, I wanted one with navigation. Just a feature I always liked having built into cars. Makes things better than having to look on your phone, kill your battery while you're driving. I don't always have a charger. But when I wanted a specific color, FA green, there's only like 130 of these made in the whole country. 392 Daytonas and FA green. So you kind of get what you get. So in my case, I ended up without the technology group. I don't have the adaptive cruise control. I don't have the blind spot detection or any of that stuff. And I don't have navigation. So it was a bummer, but one of the cool features I found after purchasing the car was this Apple CarPlay. So when I test drove the car, I do not hook my phone up for whatever reason. Just never been a thing I try and do. So what I did is I needed to charge my phone anyway, so I brought the cord in, plugged it in here under the armrest, and saw this Apple CarPlay pop up, went ahead and clicked it, and lo and behold, this menu popped up, and I see maps, I see the phone, music, maps, Waze, all my navigation apps. So I click that, maps. Next thing I know, boom, I have navigation in the car. I can definitely say I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't buy the charger without doing any research. I definitely watched YouTube videos, hours on end, tall guy car review stuff. I mean, everything. I watched every video there was out there on a 2018 Charger Daytona 392, and I never came across anybody using Apple CarPlay. I came across a lot of other videos about Uconnect and the different features within like performance pages and all that good stuff, but nobody was really talking about the benefits of Apple CarPlay. So, like I said, if you're looking for a car with navigation, that's a big thing on your list, but you can't find it. You find one with every other feature you like. Honestly, this navigation is probably, in my opinion, a little bit better than the stock Uconnect navigation. Granted, I haven't seen it on a 2018 model, but we had a 2014 with Uconnect, and I believe the navigation was powered by Garmin, and the unit actually crashed on us once after buying it. We had the unit replaced about 2 weeks after we purchased it, and then about 1.5 years later it crashed again. So everything else still worked just fine. The screen was clear, all that good stuff, but we just had no navigation. There was some internal issue with the maps loading. And honestly, the interface wasn't any nicer or any worse than Google Maps or any of the other ones. So not only do you get Google Maps, but you can do Waze. I prefer Waze because, you know, Waze has a lot of extra features. It has the construction alerts, stuff in the road, police alerts, all that good stuff. It'll take you on some back roads, different directions. And like I said, it fills the whole screen, so it looks awesome. It looks just like a regular, you know, built-in navigation. So, like I said, short and sweet video, just on Apple CarPlay and navigation. Definitely a feature. You could save yourself $1,000. I believe Apple CarPlay comes on all these 2018 and 2019 vehicles, maybe even before that. But I know for sure it wasn't on the 2014 that we had. But if you get Apple CarPlay built in your Uconnect, you could save yourself, I think it's $1,800 to $1,000 for that navigation price. And you basically get all the same features. So if you liked the video, any questions or comments, leave them below. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and subscribe. We're going to have some more content coming. Thank you.